Welcome back to Tech and Gadget Reviews, where I bring you the best gadgets to simplify your life. Today, we're exploring the top 12 best robot vacuums for carpets that can transform your cleaning routine. These smart vacuums offer powerful suction, advanced navigation, and self-emptying features to keep carpets spotless with minimal effort. Whether you have pets, kids, or a busy schedule, these options make cleaning easy and stress-free. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out. Airzeen 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum. The Airzeen 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum is designed for ultimate convenience, offering vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping in one device. I love how it adjusts suction power automatically based on the surface, ensuring carpets and hard floors are cleaned efficiently. Its advanced sensors prevent collisions and drops, making it safe for homes with stairs and delicate furniture. The long-lasting battery allows it to cover large areas in a single charge. It's easy to schedule cleaning sessions via the app, giving you full control even when you're away. Compact and sleek, this vacuum fits under most furniture. For anyone seeking a multifunctional, hands-free cleaning solution, Airzeen delivers excellent performance and reliability. ZCWA 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum. The ZCWA 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum combines vacuuming and mopping to make floor cleaning effortless. I appreciate how it provides strong suction for carpets while maintaining gentle care for hard floors. Its smart navigation system ensures complete coverage, mapping rooms to avoid missed spots. It's equipped with anti-collision and anti-drop sensors, keeping it safe around furniture and stairs. You can schedule cleaning cycles using the app, so it runs automatically even when you're not home. The low-profile design lets it slide under sofas and beds easily. This vacuum is perfect for busy households looking for reliable, automated cleaning with minimal effort and maximum results every day. Shark Self-Empty Vacuum. The Shark Self-Empty Vacuum is perfect for anyone who wants hassle-free cleaning. I love how its self-emptying base stores dirt for weeks, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. It features powerful suction that picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair efficiently from carpets and hard floors. The navigation system intelligently maps your home to optimize cleaning paths, avoiding obstacles and stairs. You can control it via app or voice commands for convenience. The low-profile design allows it to reach under furniture with ease. For busy homes or pet owners, this Shark vacuum is a reliable, time-saving solution that keeps floors spotless without constant intervention. Super Thin Robot Vacuum. The Super Thin Robot Vacuum is designed to reach areas other vacuums often miss. I really like how its ultra-thin design slides effortlessly under low furniture and tight spaces. Despite the compact size, it offers strong suction power suitable for carpets and hard floors. The smart navigation system ensures it covers the entire room efficiently without getting stuck. You can schedule cleaning sessions through the app for a fully automated experience. It also features obstacle and drop detection for safe operation. This vacuum is ideal for apartments or homes with lots of furniture, offering thorough cleaning while fitting easily into narrow spaces that other vacuums can't. 7,000 Pascal LiDAR Robot Vacuum. The 7,000 Pascal LiDAR Robot Vacuum is built for deep cleaning carpets with powerful suction. I love how the LiDAR mapping system creates accurate floor plans, ensuring no area is missed. It detects carpeted areas and increases suction automatically for optimal results. The vacuum also avoids obstacles and falls thanks to advanced sensors. You can control it via app, set schedules, or use voice commands for hands-free convenience. The battery supports extended cleaning sessions, covering large areas without interruption. For anyone with carpets that require deep, consistent cleaning, this LiDAR vacuum offers precision, efficiency, and excellent suction in a smart, easy-to-use package. Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum. The Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum delivers reliable performance for carpeted and hard floors alike. I appreciate its powerful suction and brush system, which captures pet hair, dirt, and debris effectively. Its smart navigation ensures systematic cleaning without missing spots or bumping into furniture. You can schedule automatic cleaning via app or use voice commands for added convenience. The low-profile design fits under couches and cabinets, while sensors prevent falls or collisions. This vacuum is perfect for busy households or pet owners who want consistent, hands-free cleaning. With Shark's reputation for durability, it offers long-term reliability and a stress-free solution for maintaining spotless carpets daily. The DEEBOT T80 Omni Vacuum. The DEEBOT T80 Omni Vacuum is a versatile 3-in-1 cleaner that vacuums, sweeps, and mops efficiently. I like how it automatically adjusts suction for different floor types, ensuring deep cleaning for carpets without damaging delicate surfaces. Its smart navigation system maps your home for thorough coverage, avoiding obstacles and stairs. You can schedule cleaning via the app or control it with voice commands, providing ultimate convenience. The vacuum also features self-charging, returning to its dock when battery runs low. For anyone seeking a reliable, automated, and multifunctional robot vacuum, the DEEBOT T80 offers performance, efficiency, and intelligent cleaning in a single device that saves time and effort. Dreame D20 Plus Vacuum. The Dreame D20 Plus Vacuum is a high-performance robot designed for powerful carpet cleaning. I love its 4,000 PA suction, which handles dirt, debris, and pet hair effortlessly. The laser navigation system creates accurate room maps for efficient cleaning paths. It can be scheduled via app, allowing automated cleaning even when you're away. Sensors prevent collisions and falls, making it safe around furniture and stairs. The low-profile design ensures it reaches under sofas and cabinets with ease. This vacuum also supports voice commands, adding convenience to daily routines. For anyone seeking strong suction, smart navigation, and hassle-free operation, the Dreame D20 Plus is an excellent choice for maintaining spotless carpets. E10 Plus LiDAR Empty Vacuum. The E10 Plus LiDAR Empty Vacuum is designed for hands-free convenience with powerful suction and smart mapping. I appreciate how its self-emptying base reduces maintenance, storing debris for weeks. The LiDAR navigation system ensures accurate room mapping and complete coverage without missing corners. It automatically detects carpets and adjusts suction for optimal cleaning. You can schedule cleaning via the app or control it using voice commands. Sensors prevent collisions and drops, protecting both the vacuum and your furniture. Its sleek, low-profile design reaches under beds and couches easily. For those seeking effortless, thorough cleaning, the E10 Plus LiDAR Empty Vacuum delivers impressive performance and convenience in a modern automated package. Shark Matrix Sonic Vacuum. The Shark Matrix Sonic Vacuum combines advanced cleaning technology with user-friendly features. I love the sonic vibration brush that loosens embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets efficiently. Smart navigation ensures thorough coverage without collisions or missed spots. Its self-emptying feature stores debris automatically, saving time and effort. You can schedule cleaning sessions through the app or use voice commands for hands-free operation. The low-profile design allows it to clean under furniture, while sensors prevent drops or damage. This vacuum is ideal for pet owners or busy households that require consistent, deep cleaning. It offers powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and convenience in a single device. PowerPet Quiet Robot Vacuum. The PowerPet Quiet Robot Vacuum is built for homes with pets and sensitive ears. I love how it delivers strong suction while operating quietly, minimizing disruption. Its tangle-free brush rolls and high-efficiency filters handle pet hair, dust, and debris effectively. Smart navigation ensures full coverage without collisions or missing areas. You can schedule cleaning via app or voice commands, making it highly convenient. The low-profile design allows it to reach under sofas, beds, and cabinets easily. This vacuum is ideal for households with pets or anyone who values quiet, effective cleaning. It combines power, precision, and user-friendly features to keep carpets spotless every day. Wi-Fi Smart Pet Robot Vacuum. The Wi-Fi Smart Pet Robot Vacuum is a fully connected, powerful cleaner, perfect for pet owners. I appreciate its ability to automatically detect carpets and adjust suction for deep cleaning. The vacuum features a smart navigation system to map your home and avoid obstacles. You can schedule cleanings or control it remotely via the app or voice assistants. Its low-profile design fits under furniture, reaching areas other vacuums can't. The self-charging feature ensures it returns to the dock when battery runs low. For busy homes or pet-friendly spaces, this vacuum provides reliable, intelligent cleaning with minimal effort, keeping carpets spotless while saving time and energy. Thanks for watching Tech and Gadget Reviews. I hope you enjoyed exploring the top 12 best robot vacuum for carpets and found the perfect option for your home. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it, and comment below telling me which vacuum impressed you most. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Be sure to check the links in the description for prices and more details on all featured vacuums. See you in the next video.